Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. Thank you guys for stopping by. So today's video is brought to you by OmgHerHair. I have worked with this company several times. They do offer a lot of affordable human hair wigs. I'm going to be reviewing the black and honey blonde highlighted 360 lace wig from them. This is a pre-plucked and pre-colored wig. This is in the style CLW2. And it's in 20 inches. It's 150% density. I'm in a medium size cap, which is a 22.5 circumference. I have a 23-inch circumference head, and I haven't tried this on yet, so I don't know how it feels, but I'll tell you guys. The lace color is brown. I usually go for a light brown, but we'll see how that works for me. The hairline is pre-plucked, and this is said to be a glueless lace front wig, so we will see if it actually is. Their Black Friday sale is already underway, so if you do like this wig or any wig on their website, definitely check it out and take advantage of the Black Friday sale. Here is the wig right here, and I'm gonna be styling this out the box because it's pre-curled. And you guys saw, if you haven't already, I do have another review from a different company where I styled it out the box because it was already curled and everything, and I was like, I don't want to have to wash it and then recurl it if they already styled it for me. So, and I wanted to see how easy it is to style certain wigs out of the box. Most of the time I do recommend that you guys wash your wig before you wear it, but if they've already styled it for you, sometimes lately I've just been just reviewing it right out the box. So curls are already intact. I did try a similar wig with a highlighted look a few weeks ago. So it's that natural black, and then it goes into that highlighted honey blonde color. So it says it's brown lace, but it looks like it looks more like light brown, which is what I prefer. It is nice that they have an adjustable elastic band in the cap, so it's gonna make it even easier to make it glueless, but we will see if we have to apply any glue. Now, it is loose, which is good. So the cap size, this medium cap is actually very roomy. I am going to take it off and adjust the inside of it so I can see if I'm going to wear it, if I can wear it glueless. If you want to try to wear your wigs glueless, I would always recommend, easier on yourself, to wear it as a middle part. I'm going to keep it as a middle part because they already have it, you know, centered as a middle part, but of course you can always flip it over and do whatever you want with it. Okay, that's a lot better. It's fitting a lot more close to my head. Okay, I'm gonna pin some of this hair back and cut the lace. And I'm probably gonna, I have my hot comb plugged up. I have my flyaway tamer in front of me. I'm just probably gonna smooth out the top and we might be done. Hopefully it's that easy. Alright guys, so I'm back and I have applied this wig. So, is it actually glueless? It is. Now, I am wearing this as a middle part, so if you want your wig to be glueless, it's just always easier for me to just wear it as a middle part, but because I don't have the sides glued down and the lace is curling on the sides. So if you do want to wear it as a side part, I think that you should have a little bit of got to be glued or something on the sides because it's going to lift up. But if you're wearing it as a middle part, you don't have to do that. That's just my opinion, and it's easy. So this is not, I don't have any powder. I don't have any powder or anything on the part. It's just laying on my head. The only things I did to this wig were I put the hot comb at the top to make it flatter. Of course, I use my flyaway tamer. That's like a must-have. Like, I love that flyaway tamer. I'll have a link in the description box if you guys are interested in that. I use it on pretty much all of my human hair wigs. It's a nice like wax stick that doesn't leave white residue, because I was using my one from Edge Booster in one of my recent tutorials, and it left like it left a white cast, but when I put heat on it, it went away. But I still prefer the flyaway tamer. So I don't have it adhered down with any got to be glued. I just put the heat at the top, the wax stick, added a little bit of layer around the front of the face. I just put one curl because around the face I want it to be a bit more defined. I just put two curls, like I just tightened the curls in the front with my curl wand, and then just took my razor comb and added a little bit more of a layer in the front. And I just think this is very beautiful and very easy. Like, I know this is gonna be up like a couple days before Thanksgiving, but this is definitely holiday hair. This does look like another wig that I recently reviewed, but I'm pretty sure this is a lot cheaper if I'm not mistaken. This is just very flattering and very beautiful, and I'm so glad I didn't have to put these curls in, even though I could have with my curl wand. But if it's already styled for me and I don't have to do that much to my wig, then I'm not gonna do that much to my wig, because some of the wigs that I have, I think a blonde wig that I'm gonna have on my channel that's human hair is going up maybe before this one or after, but that took so much time and effort. And I did all the things to that wig. I bleached the knots. I had to curl it up. I had to make the lace match and all that kind of stuff. It turned out beautiful, but if I don't have to do all of that stuff to my wig and it still look nice, then I'm gonna go that route. So if you're looking for a really pretty like holiday look, or just something that's super glam and it's easy to apply, then check this wig out, because you guys saw I didn't even use any got to be glued or anything to make this work for me. So, but then again, make sure if you are wearing it as a side part that you do use at least some kind of adhesive, because the lace is gonna curl in my opinion. So if you're interested in this wig, I'll have all the links in the description box for you guys. Again, they do have a Black Friday sale that's already underway, so check it out if you are interested. Shout out to OmgHerHair for sponsoring another video, and thank you guys so much for tuning in and support my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.